Hi everyone, welcome to Math Lines. Our learning target for this video is I can describe the transformations of logarithmic functions. Now let's take a look at some vocabulary. We're starting off with the logarithmic function. F of x is equal to log base b x. Log is short for logarithm. The operation that asks what exponent. B is short for base. The number being repeatedly multiplied must be positive and not equal to 1. X is our argument. The number you are taking the log of must be positive. F of x is our exponent, also known as our output. The answer to the question, what power of b gives x? Transformation. A change made to a function's graph, such as shifting, stretching, compressing, or reflecting. Vertical shift moves the graph up or down. This is shown by adding, subtracting a number outside the function. Horizontal shift moves the graph left or right. This is shown by adding, subtracting inside the function. Reflection over the x-axis flips the graph upside down. This occurs when the function is multiplied by -1. Reflection over the y-axis flips the graph left to right. This occurs when x is replaced with -x. Problem of the day. Describe the transformations from the parent function f of x equals log x for the following logarithmic functions. Part A, f of x equals 3 log x minus 2 plus 4. We're starting off with a vertical stretch by 3. That is to this 3 right over here in front of the log. We are then shifting right 2 units. This is due to the 2 being subtracted from x. Lastly, we are shifting upwards 4 units, and this is due to the 4 being added at the end of the function. Now let's take a look at part B. G of x equals -4 log base 10 x plus 2 plus 6. We're starting off with a vertical stretch by 4, and that is due to the value of 4 in front of the log. We are then shifting 2 units to the left, and that is due to the 2 being added to our x. We are then moving upwards 6 units, and that is due to the 6 being added at the end of our function. Lastly, something we want to be super duper careful about is that we do have a reflection over the x-axis, and that is due to this negative sign in front of our 4. Now, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.